how to turn off remixing on Instagram. So first of all, you want to go to your Instagram account. Once you're on your Instagram account, go to your profile. And once you're at the top right corner, there's three lines. Tap on that. On the first one, where it says settings and privacy, tap on that one. And then keep scrolling down where he says how others can interact with you. And on the fourth one that says sharing and remixes, tap on that one. Now, if you scroll down, you can see who can remix your post and content. You could choose allow everyone to remix your content, or only allow people that you follow to remix, or don't allow remixes. So in this video, we're gonna choose don't allow remixes. That makes sure that no one can remix your content, reels, videos, or anything. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.